child grows up to be somebody that just loves to learn, and another child grows up to be somebody you just love to burn.